Do you want naturally glowing, fair, and soft skin without spending money on expensive products? In today's video, I'll share with you a very effective full body whitening scrub that removes tan, brightens dull skin, and leaves your body smooth and radiant from the very first use. Before we start, tell me in the comments, from which country are you watching this video? I love seeing where my viewers are from. Now let's prepare the scrub together. First, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of dry milk powder. It contains lactic acid that gently exfoliates and lightens dark patches. Next, 1 tablespoon of red lentil powder. It's amazing for removing dead skin cells and tanning. Then, 1 tablespoon of honey. It deeply moisturizes and gives instant glow. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of rose water. It soothes the skin, shrinks pores, and refreshes your body. Mix everything well until you get a smooth paste. Now apply this scrub all over your body. Massage gently in circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes to boost blood circulation and remove dead skin. After scrubbing, leave it on for another 10 to 15 minutes like a pack. Finally, wash it off with lukewarm water. For best results, use this remedy 2 to 3 times a week. This scrub is safe for most skin types, but if you have very sensitive skin, do a small patch test first. And remember, scrub gently. Don't rub too hard. And that's it. With regular use, your skin will become brighter, softer, and more radiant naturally. If you found this remedy helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And let me know in the comments, how did this scrub work for you? I'd love to hear your results. Thanks for watching.